Hello everyone. So today I'm going to unbox my new coffee machine from Target. So let's do the unboxing of it. So this is my new machine. This is the warranty paper and this is the bill from Target. Let's do the unboxing. Let me remove this machine. You can see how beautiful it is. This is the coffee jar. Here you can put your coffee and this is the filter. If you want, you can put your paper filter as well, and it is detachable. And this coffee machine gives you 10 to 12 cups of coffee. So you can put water here. And this is very easy to operate. And this is the jar. And here are some options. Before you brew your coffee, you can choose some options. And this is very easy to access the machine. You can brew your coffee. And if you like my video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.